Hello, future engineers! I'm Nathan Artacandong from BSME 2D. I live here in Manggahan, Lower Balulang, Cagayan de Oro City. I'm 20 years old, born on July 18, 2004. I graduated my senior high school as a STEM student at Cagayan de Oro National High School, Senior High School. My expectation for this subject, I have a lot of expectation for this subject, especially it deals with mathematics and solving. And then I know our journey may be tough in engineering field, but if we're going to abide some efforts, sacrifices, and hard works, especially with prayers, it could happen. So, padayon future engineers, that's all.